Okay. So part 2 of the video, because part 1 got cut off. Apparently only get well, my phone only allows so much. Here, let's fade out the music here and fade in the music here. Oh, there's no sound at all. Okay. There's actually no music, so let's put this music on. Sound effects, I think. Okay. Okay, so another thing I haven't done, I'm going to press P and pause it. Okay. We're going to go in here and we're going to adjust, and the button number 2, we're going to adjust it to up. Okay? Traditional Commodore style. Some people may not like it, but it's the only way it can be when you only have one button. And sometimes one button can be enough. So look, here you go. I mean, I'm not putting. Oh, this is it. Yeah. Oh, I've disappeared. So a bit of a glitch, but I think that used to happen sometimes as well. So this is pretty good. Now, mind you, the music is definitely not being played by the Amiga. There's no music being emulated here. I think it's just coming. There's a few sound effects coming through, and I'll try to emphasize the sound effects. But the music is definitely coming just through a little soundtrack, which works fine because you wouldn't know any better. The thing is, the whole gameplay now, this is the emulated gameplay, and you're right. I'll go back to the. Unfortunately, I can't play the latest one because I don't have. Oh. Okay. Anyway, that's this one, and the music keeps going, of course. As I said, it's not part of this one here, but let's go back and where did I download this thing? Somewhere here I downloaded. So let's compare it on the same video. The same distance and the same shape and form and the same background music. But look, it's got the same music. So this is the newest Scorpion Engine version. And it looks, oh, what's the intro? That's all pretty cool. So let's put some coins in. Okay. Okay, so there you go. The speed is, look at that, that speed is incredible. That looks really good. The frame rate's great. If I could only jump. Look at that. And that's it, I think, to say the least. That's it.